Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally got the car back, and these are the results. I am extremely satisfied. The paint looks amazing. Everything is all gone. If you guys are new here, my car was keyed. If you watch a video back from the tail light all the way to the headlight, this thing just looks perfect. Paint looks beautiful. The match is on point. I couldn't be happier. Special thanks to Auto Body Creationz in Deer Park, New York. Did a fantastic job. You guys need any paint work, body work, major heavy collision, they do it all over there. So check them out. I'll put a link in the description for the company if you wanted to actually use them. I'm not affiliated with them. He's a friend of mine, but I don't get paid or anything for it. This is just my honest review of their work. Really, 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 really nice. So after going through all of this, I am getting a dash cam. I'll show you which one I'm getting. I'll flash a quick picture up. It's a 3-camera setup. It's going to be one for the front window, interior. So if anyone comes to the side of the car, it'll catch them. And it's going to be a rear window camera as well. It has really good reviews. So I'm going to be installing that this weekend, just in case I have another issue. Hopefully I won't. I'm still going to park in front of that person's house because now I would like to catch them because I wasn't able to get any video footage of them. So I kind of might take the chance and park the car back there again. So we'll see what happens. So as we stand, it looks like I'm not going to be getting rid of the car, as I'm extremely happy with how it came out. Can't tell anything happened, and I'm usually like a real stickler for paint work, stuff like that. So, you know, I'm going to be keeping the car a little while longer. I did go test drive a few cars. Actually test drove a BMW 340i and a BMW 440i Grand Coupe. And while they were really nice, I didn't feel that all the extra money was worth it. As my car stands right now, with Phearable Stage 3, it's actually just as quick, if not quicker than one of those. Obviously those are stock. They have a lot more room for potential. You know, this car's all tuned, but, you know, apples to apples, this car how it sits and that car how it sits, you know, I'm actually going to be keeping this one a little while longer. Eventually I might move into another platform, but for now, we're going to continue on with this car. And like I said, I'm really happy with it. And I'm excited to install dash cams this weekend, so hopefully I will be getting those in today, and I will be installing them maybe today or tomorrow. Tomorrow's supposed to be a real crappy day, but we'll see what happens. But I just wanted to give you guys an update, what's going on with it. I'm happy, man. Thank God. Came out really nice. Guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Dash cam video will be next. I'll do a review on it. I'll show you how it actually looks with all the views, the inside, the rear, the outside. That way I give you a good honest review of the camera, and we'll go from there. So I'll put a link in the description for the camera I'm using. Like I said, I'll put up a few pictures of it, that way you get an idea of what I'm going with. A buddy of mine actually has this one, and he showed me a quick clip of it. So I watched a bunch of clips online, so it seems to be really good bang for the buck. Roughly about $260 for the camera, and you gotta buy the memory card, but it's got great reviews and the picture quality is good. You'll be able to catch license plates, all that good stuff. So enough of me rambling, guys. Take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.